Is ClickUp really better than Jira? You've been staring at your task manager, feeling increasingly overwhelmed. Jira, with its rigid structure, feels like a straitjacket. ClickUp, with its promise of flexibility, sounds like a breath of fresh air. But is it really better? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another project management tool comparison video? Trust me, I've seen them too. But this one is different. We're not just going to list features and throw around buzzwords. We're going to cut through the noise and focus on what really matters. How these tools impact your daily work. Let's start with the basics. Jira, the seasoned veteran, is built for software development teams. It's a battle-tested tool with a strong focus on issue tracking and agile methodologies. It's like a well-oiled machine, efficient but perhaps a bit rigid. On the other hand, ClickUp is the shiny new kid on the block, aiming to be a one-stop shop for all your work management needs. It's like a Swiss Army knife, versatile but maybe a little overwhelming at first. So which one is better? Well, that's a tricky question. It depends on your team's specific needs and preferences. Let's break it down. Flexibility and customization. ClickUp wins hands down here. It's like building your own project management tool. You can create custom fields, views, and workflows to match your team's unique process. Jira, while customizable, is more rigid in its approach. Ease of use. ClickUp is generally considered more user-friendly. Its interface is cleaner and more intuitive. Jira, on the other hand, can have a steeper learning curve, especially for non-technical users. Features. Both tools offer a robust set of features, but they have different strengths. Jira excels in issue tracking, agile methodologies, and integrations with development tools. ClickUp shines in task management, goal setting, and time tracking. Pricing. This is where things get interesting. Jira offers a free plan with limited features, but it can get expensive as your team grows. ClickUp has a more generous free plan and offers flexible pricing options. So, should you switch from Jira to ClickUp? It depends. If your team is primarily focused on software development and you're happy with Jira's structure, there might not be a compelling reason to switch. However, if you're looking for a more flexible, user-friendly tool that can handle a wider range of projects, ClickUp could be a great option. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try both tools with your team. Many of these tools offer free trials or freemium plans, so take advantage of them. But wait, there's more. We've only scratched the surface. There are countless other factors to consider, such as integrations, reporting, and customer support. We could spend hours diving deeper into each of these areas. So what do you think? Are you Team Jira or Team ClickUp? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.